So good morning everyone. I just want to explain to you how you can drink a healthy coffee at work. You understand? So my name is Nkemdirim AGOHA, Grand Aviation Munchen International Airport, motivation speaker, and to tell you how to treat your coffee this morning. Let's get started. So here, this is black coffee. So watch me and see what I'm doing, okay? Because I want you guys to start drinking coffee the way you can enjoy it. Very, very simple and very, very effective. You understand? So, like if you can see here, some like to put like milk. You understand? But for the beginners, you can start dropping a little by little. You understand? But to add sugar, you won't get the whole benefit you need. So it's better you just put your hand off from the sugar and then try to get the pure black coffee. You understand? So watch me. So guys, this is my black coffee. You understand? If you want to enjoy coffee more at your working place, maybe in the work or maybe at home, you understand? You don't have to add extra milk, you don't have to add extra sugar, because that's going to give you what you need. The benefit you need is to drink raw. We call it raw. No additional extra sugar, no additional extra milk. That will make you to stay focused the whole day and make you to be very, very aggressive. You can see I'm at work, so I like to drink my morning coffee.
I would like to drink
And this my working colleagues, guy, what's your name again? You understand? Long time I haven't seen you. Quite a long time, man.
My name is
So
Alex.
okay, that's great. If you want to drink coffee too, and then you got to drink without milk and without sugar, and then we're gonna and see they are coming out. They are coming, to. I want all of them to,
Another game.
we're gonna experience a different thing today. You understand? So guys, take without milk and without sugar, and you also take without milk and without sugar, and then we will hear from them, and then they're going to confirm.
Taste.
Yeah, you're gonna taste it. Tell me your own experience, okay? Yeah, So this guy going to put coffee without sugar, and then we'll see what we get out from. You know what I mean? So taste and tell me how you feel. Even the smell of it, this can help you for depression. For those who are having depression, start taking coffee.
This is very good.
Oh,
Thank you for your advice, my friend.
okay. Thanks, man. I love you guys. Yeah.
Bye.
Enjoy it. So see you guys. Subscribe and like. Share the video. Sam.